The 2-in-1 feeding chairs are back. The baby high chairs that are 2-in-1, the ones that become a table and a chair. So we'll show you shortly. But in the meantime, let's look at the features. It has a double tray. You can wash the tray and bring it back. It has a seat belt inside. You see from here, from the top, from the side, all through. And then it has a block here as well. Okay, all right, let's look at it from here. You see the block over here, and then you see this comes down. Okay, so they can sit comfortably. And then the seat belt is also here to chock them aside this. Okay, let's look at the seats. The seat can recline. Okay, so it can come in one, and then it can go down again. Okay, so they can be comfortable. Even if they are growing big, you can make space for them to fit inside nicely. Okay, so you see from here it comes here, and then it comes here. See, nicely like that. Okay, all right, so let's separate it for you to see. We'll separate this and then make it a low chair and then a table and chair, so it's 3-in-1. Okay, all right, but in the meantime, press. So you press that button and then you lift it. See, from that side too, you press that button and then you lift it. So when you press that button, it comes off. See? Okay. So if you do not want them to be high, you want a low chair on some days, this is it. When you do this, you get this. Okay. And then this is a table. Okay. Let's have a look at this. This covers here. Covers here. And then covers here as well. And then the table is complete. This is double-sided, so you can turn it the other way around, and then you get a smooth surface. You see? And then it has a storage beneath too. If you want them to play, you turn it this way, and then you get this side. Okay. All right. So with this, you can take off the tray completely so that you can get a table and chair. So taking off the tray, and then you get the table and chair. Okay. See, the tray is gone completely, and then this is the table and this is the chair. See, you can get a complete table and chair. See? Table and chair. So as they grow, you want a table and chair. This is great. You just turn it into a table and chair. Okay, you can take off the seat. Okay, with time you can take off the seat. It is not attached. You can take it, wash it, bring it back anyhow you want to do. You can take this off too with time. Okay, all right, so you see it becomes a table and chair nicely like this. You get a full table. So you do this, get a full table nicely, and then you get a chair as well. Okay, full table and chair nicely. And then the tray, you need to use the tray, you attach the tray. Okay, please, the seat is leather. Leather seat nicely. So those who want neutral colors, this is a neutral color.